Welcome to Unique Mania. Unique Mania is your go-to YouTube channel for unique and valuable information about the strange and fascinating corners of life. Dive into topics like health, diet, beauty, fitness, cars, technology, smartphones, smartwatches, geography, animals, plants, cooking, and so much more. Ever wondered how to create valuable things from materials you already have at home? Unique Mania's got you covered. We bring the world to you, improving your mind and building your knowledge with a feeling of happiness. Unique Mania is a dynamic channel dedicated to delivering engaging, valuable, and often surprising insights into the unique aspects of life. Whether you're looking for tips on beauty and wellness, in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets, or creative ways to repurpose materials around your home, Unique Mania is here for you. Through our expertly crafted videos, we not only share knowledge but also foster a sense of joy in learning. Each episode is designed to expand your understanding and inspire you to explore the world's endless variety, blending education with entertainment. So why not let Unique Mania be your gateway to new insights, practical DIY projects, and a deeper appreciation of the diverse wonders around us? Hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey. Thanks for watching.